Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to recover Bybit account. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device. Now here at first, we need to simply tap on sign up/login option. Now you can log into your account either by using email or password or your phone number or your Google account or Apple ID if you are an Apple user. Now firstly, we need to enter the email. Now that we don't remember our password, we need to simply tap on the option forgot password. Now there will be given two options to reset password either from your email or phone number. Also note that withdrawal will be disabled for 24 hours once the password is changed. For this video, we will go for the email. After that, you need to tap on reset password. Now this kind of puzzle box will pop up. All you need to do is slide to complete the puzzle. Now a verification code will be sent to your email account. So go and make sure to check it and enter the code over here. After that, you will be given an option to create yourself a new password. So make sure to create yourself a very strong password. After you are done creating yourself a new password, simply tap on reset password. And now you can see that your password has been reset successfully. Now you can fill down a credential, that is your email. Likewise, the password that you have created just now. And after that, you will be logged into your account, and this is how you recover your Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.